Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam game icons missing. Let's fix it guys. The first solution, you just need to open up Steam. You just need to right click on the game you are having problem with and select properties. Select installed files. Select browse and copy this file path guys. Just copy it, right click on it and copy it. After copying it, you just need to close it up here. Now you just need to right click on the application you are having problem with in desktop and select properties. Select a change icon and you just need to select browse. Paste the file path over here and press enter. Now you need to select the application over here guys. After that, click on open. Select OK. Now your problem should be fixed guys. If this solution doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to open up a Steam. You just need to right click on the game and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After finishing this, you just need to close it up here. Right click on the game you are having problem with and select properties. Select change icon and select browse. Now you need to go to this PC, local disk C, program files x86 and Steam folder. Again search for Steam and double click on the games folder. You can able to see the game icon over here. Click on it and select open. Select OK and select apply and OK for save changes. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.